Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor sent me a great product. It is a cocktail smoker kit. This is a paid review. Let's get right to it, shall we? I love a good cocktail. Who doesn't? And who wouldn't like a smoked cocktail? So, let's open this up. So let's note first the packaging. I think this would be a great gift package. It's ace mode across there, but it's just really nice gift packaging. A+ for the packaging. Okay, got a little flip lid right here. Oh, nice. Right on top is the instructions on how to fill the lighter. Okay, you know how I love a lighter. If you've watched any of my videos, you know I love instructions. And then there's instructions on how to do the smoked drinks. And then a lighter. And then we have the actual smoker itself, which fits down over a glass. And that goes like that. Then we have a collection of woods. We have apple wood, oak, cherry, walnut, and then a cleaner to clean the screen after you smoke something. So it's never too early to smoke a cocktail, is what I'm thinking. And it is after lunch here, so it's cocktail time. So let's make a cocktail, shall we? And let's do it with, I think, cherry. So we got right there, we have cherry wood, little smoker kit right on top of the glass, and you put some of the wood right in there. And I imagine it's exactly how much smoke you want, what your particular taste is. So I'm just going to put a medium amount of smoker wood in there. All right, so let's light this on fire. Put it on fire, and then close it up. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me hold it up to you. It's filling my glass with smoke. It's like anything else when you're smoking, the more contact with that smoke that I allow, the more smokier my cocktail will get. But how cool would it be to serve somebody that? Cheers.